Hi everyone, Dr. Angela. Welcome back to PrettyWell. This week's video topic is going to be hot flashes, perimenopausal and menopausal hot flashes, how to get rid of them with some natural treatments that are very effective. I chose this topic this week because with this crazy heat, it seems to have really exacerbated hot flashes for many of my ladies who are in my practice who are dealing with hot flashes right now. And so, heat is definitely a stress on the body, and anytime we have stress, and stress can be emotional or physical, that will tend to have hot flashes show up a little bit more if you're prone, if it's that, hormonal shift time that's leading to hot flashes. So, sometimes ladies in my practice want to know, what can we do to get rid of hot flashes, especially if, sometimes women are wanting some solutions that are not involving actual hormone replacement therapy. Hormone replacement therapy with bioidentical hormones can be a really safe and effective way to deal with hot flashes. And sometimes there's things we can do, many times there's things we can do before then that are also going to be very effective and can just nip the hot flashes in the bud, and you may not even need to get prescription bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. So what are some of these great natural therapies that really do a great job of containing hot flashes? Well, any of the herbs that are going to help with fortifying the adrenals. We talk a lot about the adrenals on this PrettyWell channel, but back to the adrenals again, when we deal with our stress, that's one way of calming hot flashes down. I especially like the herb Maca. Maca is an herb that's an adaptogen, so it definitely helps our adrenals, but it also really helps our sex hormone balance. So Maca is a great one to try. Some other botanicals that have some great research behind them for dealing with hot flashes to try. Black Cohosh, many of you ladies have heard of Black Cohosh, that's a really good one. Another one is red clover. That also has some great data behind it and is very effective at curbing some of those hot flashes. Another thing you can try that's available over the counter is natural progesterone cream. Progesterone is also available in capsules that can be prescribed, but sometimes just a little bit of progesterone goes a long way in terms of helping us with hot flashes. So, just a little bit before bed, that can be a great one. And with the herbs, you can play with them. Sometimes just before bed, sometimes in the morning, sometimes split up throughout the day, so you can kind of play with what dose is the most effective for you. And then another natural medicine therapy that is so effective for hot flashes is acupuncture. So there's 5 things to check out that can probably really alleviate hot flashes. If you have stories of which things have been the most effective in terms of dealing with your hot flashes and you want to share that with the PrettyWell community, go ahead and leave your comments. If you have questions, leave them here. Dr. Patty and I always do our best to respond. And those of you in the community, if you have answers, feel free to also reply to those in the community who are seeking answers. As usual, every week, Dr. Patty and I leave you a little bit more information in the description box in terms of what supplements, sometimes useful websites. So definitely check out that description box if you missed what I said about some of the herbs, or you just want the spelling, it's not clear, it's something you haven't heard of before. If you know of a woman who is hot flashing and you think this might help her, definitely share the video. And if you want to hear from us every week and get free naturopathic tips, go ahead and subscribe to our channel on YouTube and you'll hear from us weekly. Hope this helps you. Looking forward to seeing you back here soon. Take really good care.